Hello everyone, I received a package. This is from Scarlet Lantern Publishing. They reached out to me and they said they offer ARCs for people to read and review, so I was like, sign me up. I'm so excited to read these because I love the books that they have to offer, which is like romance. And so they were like, okay, like give us your address and we can send you a book. So they sent me a book. I've gotten, I think 9 ARCs from them. 9 have been ebooks, but then they sent me the physical copy for one of the ebooks that they had sent me. And oh man, the spice is real. Okay, let's open this up. The sticker, you've got great taste. Love that. I need to take a quick video of that actually because I want a, oh, hi. I just saw your notification. What is it?
Gone. You want to eat? I called you a hothead.
I know.
I want to eat.
What do you want to eat?
The breakfast.
Oh yes, okay, let's go. It's not my fault you slept all day.
No, you did.
Okay, intermission, and then I will open this up. I'm back. So, as I was saying, I'm so excited because I've recently been receiving a lot of book mail and it makes me so happy and it makes me so excited because it's just so fun to, sometimes I don't even know which book mail I'm receiving, and so it's such a surprise and I always look forward to it, especially when you send me sweet notes and sweet messages with the book, and if it's something that you like and something that you recommend to me, then I always love reading those. So let's open this. No way! I thought I was just getting the book, but it looks like there's other things in here. Oh my gosh. Okay, here's the book. But what is, there's this, is that a sticker? Is that a scrunchie? Oh my gosh! Okay, so we got this red scrunchie. Hello, it matches. Let's put this on for a minute. Oh my gosh! That's so cool. Okay, what else did we get? Okay, real romance, real heat. ScarletLanternPublishing.com. Oh my god, look at, there's other stickers in here. Oh my god, my name is on this! Oh my god! Okay, hold on, let's quickly go through these stickers. So this one says, between the pages of a book is a wonderful place to be. And then this sticker is a heart and it says love. And then this sticker, it's a Scarlet Lantern Publishing and it's their logo. Wow, oh my god. Okay, the card, it says Jessica with a heart. And on the back it says, thank you for supporting my small business. Oh, that's such a cute card. The card has these peace signs on them. Ooh! Jessica, thank you for your interest in our titles. We hope you enjoy your book. And then there's a heart and it says SLP. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, this little card. Enjoy your read, Scarlet Lantern Publishing. And it's just all their social media and a bunch of these books that they published as well. Oh yeah, My Boys by Alyssa Clark. Oh, okay, let's go. Room Hates, Life in the Bro House, Book 1 by Carmen Black. Yep. So, fun fact, I've read all 3 books. This book was intense. It's a bully college romance between Rachel, Lucas, Seth, and Hunter. That's who I imagined when it comes to these titles, or to the names and matching them to the faces on the cover. The back of the book says, the University of Aurora wasn't my first choice to pursue my photography degree, nor was some random apartment with 3 bros my first choice for housing. Yet here I am, surrounded by mountains on campus and 3 hot but annoying and sometimes downright hateful bros in Seth, Hunter, and Lucas at home. I'm trying to ignore it all. The mess, the wild parties, and the fact that they pass the same woman between them like some kind of trophy. Yet as each day goes by, my hot, annoying, alpha hole room hates are somehow turning into something that I can't seem to resist. Oh my gosh. Shout out to Scarlet Lantern Publishing. Y'all are amazing and I absolutely love all of the books that you recommend. This is so cool. I love it so much. I didn't film an outro for this video, so I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, anything you want. Subscribe if you haven't already, hit the notification bell. Thank you again to Scarlet Lantern Publishing for sending me a book and many fun goodies. Until next time, I'll see you later.